Hello my students, how are you? I hope you are all doing well. This is your teacher Karim. Welcome again to a new video. Let's get started.
Volleyball. Sue is dancing, Pete is singing, and he's playing the guitar. Sam and Matt are playing tennis. They are having lots of fun. Having fun. I am running, you are jumping, and your head in the ball. We are having fun together. We are playing volleyball. Sue is dancing, Pete is singing, and he's playing the guitar. Sam and Matt are playing tennis. They are having lots of fun.
Grammar. Present continuous tense. We use the present continuous to talk about things that are happening right now. Examples: I am playing tennis. You are watching TV. He is jumping. To talk about right now, we have to use verb to be is, are, and the verb plus ing. Example: I am playing tennis.
Affirmative. I am playing tennis. Negative. I am not playing tennis. Interrogative. Am I playing tennis? Affirmative. You are watching TV. Negative. You are not watching TV. Interrogative. Are you watching TV? Affirmative. He is jumping. Negative. He is not jumping. Interrogative. Is he jumping? I am playing tennis. I am not playing tennis. Am I playing tennis? You are watching TV. You are not watching TV. Are you watching TV? He is jumping. He is not jumping. Is he jumping? She is exercising. She is eating. She is drinking water. They are talking. She is reading. He is jumping.
It's Saturday morning. Tom and Nancy are playing table tennis.
What are you doing, Nancy? Hit the ball. I can't. Oh no! Where is it?
Tom is going to get the ball. He's looking in the plants. Mrs. Clark is watering her plants.
Oh no! It's raining.
Oh, sorry, Tom. It isn't raining. I'm watering the plants. What are you doing?
I'm looking for my ball.
Is that it over there?
Yes, it is.
Tom is happy now. He has the ball. He's running back to Nancy.
Tom, what are you doing? I'm coming. I've got the ball.
Tom throws the ball to Nancy. She hits it, but...
Oh no! Yuck! This isn't a ball, it's an egg.
This is all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Goodbye and see you soon.